This little whippy tree here is Gastrolobium, our little tree for the day. Beautiful colouring against that blue sky. The Gastrolobium family, or genus, sorry, of the Fabaceae pea family is all poisonous usually, and a lot of it was taken out by the settlers because of the deaths of stock, sheep and cows. Glorious colour. I can't seem to focus this morning on that. So yeah, they would say there's about 125 different species of Gastrolobium poison bush across Australia's southwest. So let's hope they are all still there and not been wiped out. Beautiful colour against that sky. The pea.